Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix domain issues with Namecheap, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the domain list section on your dashboard. Locate the domain you are having issues with from the list. Click on the three dots next to the domain name to open the options menu. Select Manage from the drop-down menu. In the domain management page, look for the domain tab located in the top navigation. Verify if the domain status is set to active. If your domain status is inactive, check if it needs to be renewed or if there are any pending payments. Under the Name Servers section, confirm that your name servers are correctly set. If you want to use custom name servers, ensure they are properly entered. If using Namecheap's default name servers, reset them by selecting the Namecheap Basic DNS option. Next, head to the Advanced DNS tab. Here, check your DNS records for any discrepancies. Ensure that your records and name records are correctly configured based on your hosting provider's instructions. If you need to add or modify records, use the Add New Record button. Make sure to save any changes you make by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom. Next, check the HoiseGuard section to ensure privacy protection is enabled if desired. If your domain is still experiencing issues, go to the Transfer tab to check for transfer locks. Disable the transfer lock if you are trying to transfer your domain. If everything looks correct and problems persist, consider reaching out to Namecheap's customer support. You can find the support options in the Help section at the top of the page. Provide them with details about the issue for more tailored assistance. Finally, remember that DNS changes can take time to propagate, usually up to 48 hours. Monitor your domain after performing these steps to confirm that the issues have been resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.